The overall goal of this technique is to test the ability of a protein to co-sediment with filamentous actin, and if binding is observed, to measure the affinity of the interaction.
This method is a straightforward technique to determine if a protein binds F-actin.
The advantages of this technique are that it does not require specialized equipment aside from an ultracentrifuge, and all reagents can be made or purchased.
To begin, prepare high-purity protein as described in the text protocol. Determine the protein concentration by measuring the absorbance at 280 nanometers. Just before use, hard spin the protein to remove aggregates of insoluble protein. If solubility is a concern, remeasure the protein concentration after centrifugation. Next, remove an aliquot of globular actin, or G-actin, from the -80 degrees Celsius freezer and thaw it quickly. Add 10x polymerization buffer to the G-actin and dilute to a final concentration of 1x with water. Incubate the mixture for 1 hour at room temperature to allow the actin to polymerize. After polymerization, store the polymerized filamentous actin, or F-actin, in solution at 4 degrees Celsius, where it will be stable for a few weeks. Before using the F-actin after storage, gently invert or flick the tube several times to ensure that all actin is dissolved and uniformly distributed in solution.